Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I wanted to update you on the latest email from speedutv. I'm going to share with you some of the words on it and some of my thoughts. There's the picture on the email, followed by a few paragraphs, but in a nutshell, they are proud to announce a customer appreciation event starting the week of February 17th, so coming up here shortly. Says loyal customers will have the opportunity to drive and experience their new Speed UTV for themselves. Now, what I don't know yet is how many of those people that includes. The multi-day event will include hands-on training from both Robbie Gordon and Todd Romano. Customers will receive personalized vehicle and suspension setup to meet their driving style and performance expectations. They will also learn about the unique features and functions of the Speed UTV, as well as spend time driving the vehicle in the beautiful Havasu Desert over the next few months. The sales team will be reaching out directly to make any changes to customers' vehicles and assist with final paperwork. Again, we're not understanding or learning how many, but here's something a lot of you guys will like, especially Arizona, Utah. For customers who choose to take delivery in Lake Havasu, Speed UTV has updated its digital bundle package to include turn signals and hazard signals. If customers have already ordered the digital bundle, it will be updated to include the turn signal and chassis wiring package. If not, customers should get in touch with the sales team or follow the link below. That's attached in the email, of course. This will be the only time the vehicle can come pre-wired with turn hazard signals. I'm going to look into that a little bit more because for those of you taking delivery here at Big Pine, we do have a street legal kit, basically 90% done, but we'll see how this ties into the ability to utilize their existing harnesses or what we can do for that. And to close off the last paragraph, we're looking forward to one-on-one time we get to spend with the people and family that has made Speed UTV what it is today. We believe that the best way to appreciate our customers is to give them a personalized and memorable experience with our product. With the Speed UTV, we believe we have created something truly special, and we can't wait for our customers to experience it for themselves. So post up your questions in the comments below, and I will do my best to find out the answers. The first car we have coming here to Big Pine is number 178. Let us know what car number you have in the comments below as well. And if you've got any questions, like I mentioned, post those up. We'll do our best to get them answered. Have a great day, everybody. We're getting closer.